Hi guys, let's look at the last couple of questions from this exercise. But before we start this video, let's quickly revise what we've talked about in GST. We talked about two different kinds of transaction, intrastate and interstate. So as the name suggests, intrastate is within the same state. And in this case, the GST has two components, CGST and SGST. Both these components are equal. So if say the GST rate is at the rate of 18%, then CGST will be calculated at 9%, which is half of the GST rate, and SGST will also be calculated at 9%. In case of interstate, which means if the transaction is happening from one state to another, then there is a consolidated GST which is known as integrated GST. If the rate is at the rate of 18%, then we'll calculate IGST as 18% directly. That's the basic concept that we've learned in this exercise. Let's look at the remaining couple of questions from this exercise. So Pankaj took health insurance and paid SGST as 900 rupees. So SGST is equal to rupees 900. We need to calculate the total annual premium including GST if the rate of GST is 18%. So if the GST is at 18%, which means SGST is at the rate of 9% and 9% of the premium value. So what we know is 9% of annual premium is equal to rupees 900. So till now, whatever questions we had done, we were given the rate of GST, we were given the value. In this case, the value of the product is not given. That's what we need to calculate. So 9 upon 100 into annual premium is equal to rupees 900, which means annual premium is equal to 900 into 100 upon 9. That's 9,100, which is equal to rupees 10,000. So the annual premium is 10,000. If SGST is 900, CGST is always equal to SGST, which is equal to 900 as well. Therefore, total GST will is equal to CGST plus SGST. That will be 900 plus 900, which is 1800. Therefore, total premium including GST would be equal to the cost of the product, which was in this case premium, that's 10,000 plus 1800, that would be equal to rupees 11,800. Good, let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 14. It says Mr. Malik went to Goa. He took a room for 2 days at the rate of rupees 5,000 per day. On the same day, his friend John joined him. The hotel provided an extra bed rupees for 1,000 per day. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel for both the days put together? Okay. So cost of room for two people, because there are two people staying finally, for 1 day was equal to the original cost, which is 5,000, plus the extra bed charge, which is 1,000. So the total cost is equal to rupees 6,000. This is for 1 day. Therefore, cost for 2 days would be equal to unitary method 6,000 into 2, that's rupees 12,000. Now we need to calculate GST. So GST at the rate of 28% would be equal to 28 upon 100 into 12,000. So this double zero goes. That's 28 into 12. That's 280 and 56. So that's 336 with a zero. So the GST amount is rupees 3,360. Let's check what do they want us to calculate in the question. As per the question, they only want the GST rate. So I don't need to calculate the total value. So this is our GST rate. Good. That brings me to the last question of this exercise that I solved with you, which is question number 15. It says Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted a rupees 80 ticket. This ticket was not available, so he purchased a rupees 120 ticket. How much extra GST did he pay? GST is at the rate of 18% for a ticket below 100 and GST is at the rate of 28% for a ticket above rupees 100. So GST at the rate of 18% for rupees 80 ticket. This is the ticket that he did not buy, but he could have purchased if it was available. So this is 18 upon 100 into 80, which is equal to 18 into 80 and 64, that's rupees 14.40. Since it's money, we always have two digits after the SN. Next, GST at the rate of 28% for the ticket that he purchased, which was a rupees 120 ticket. And this would be 28 upon 100 into 120. That's 28 into 12. That's 280 and 56. So this is 336, which means 33.60. Therefore, extra GST that he paid was equal to the final GST that he paid, which was rupees 33.60, minus the money which the GST he could have paid had he purchased a cheaper ticket. And this is 33 minus 14, that's 19 rupees 20 paisa. So that's the difference of GST that he ended up paying. That brings me to an end of this exercise. I'll see you with the video with the next exercise. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.